What's up, it's your girl Tamaya. As you can see, we are in the kitchen. Basically, as you read inside down below, I'm going to be showing you guys what I eat in a day. Of course, these aren't things that I eat every single day, but these are the types of meals that I've been eating throughout my journey to help me lose 50 pounds. And I feel like if it helped me, I know it can help somebody else out there who are looking for simple meal ideas on their weight loss journey.
Look at her.
Sorry for the lighting if it's a little jacked up, but I'm about to go to the gym. Here's my little outfit. I got my orange and my white on. I'm going to the gym. Usually I try to put something on my stomach before I go because I don't know about y'all, but I be seeing stars if I'm hungry and I'm working out, and I just like, I don't have a good workout if I don't eat beforehand. So I'm going to drink this protein shake first before I go in. Usually I'll have like a toast or like a rice cake or something like that. But I don't have either one. And also I have my pre-workout. This pre-workout tastes so good. Anyways, so these are the two things that I'll be having this morning. And then after the gym, I will come back and we will have some breakfast ready.
Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
Alright guys, so it's about 8 o'clock, 8:10 to be exact. Where's my phone? I don't know where that's at right now, but it's about 8:10 to be exact. I did leave the gym around, I want to say like 7:10, 7:20, I don't know, but I did go to my mom's house after the gym to get a couple things from her. But I was going to go for an outdoor walk, but because it's kind of getting a little late in the morning and it usually takes me about an hour to do my walks, I'm going to go ahead and eat my breakfast first, let it digest for a couple of hours, and then go on my walk.
Don't tell. Shut down my mouth, cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna call you and get a little maybe. In the meantime, get some me time.
Alright y'all, so I just came back from my walk and I can feel my stomach kind of, you know, whispering to me. So before I get too hungry, I got these protein chips by Quest. I'm gonna eat these and hopefully it kind of holds me off until lunchtime. It should, it usually does.
Don't fuck me up, don't let me down.